I'm Rona Lewis, fitness and lifestyle coach and healthy chef. Today we're going to be talking about salmon steak. Now, salmon steak is different from a fillet because it's thicker. It also has a center bone, and you may find some bones along the side. You can see how it moves where my finger is as well. The great thing is when you grill it. It's a nice hearty fish, and it makes for wonderful summer outdoor food. There's a lot of things you can do with a salmon steak. I prefer to keep it simple. I like to put some oil on it. This is extra virgin olive oil. Just spray right on. And you can even jazz it up a little bit with a touch of balsamic vinegar. Just pour that on. Little salt and pepper. And that's really all you need. You want to set your grill on medium-high and put the prettiest side down first. That side will always cook the best. You want to leave it on, depending on the thickness. This is actually a fairly thick piece of steak, so you want to leave this on for maybe 3 minutes aside. Most probably, you will have to take it and finish it in the oven. Or if you have a grill that has a cover, put the cover on, and that would help it cook from the center as well. And when it's done, you'll see it has these wonderful grill marks on them. That shows that it is caramelized, and that gives it that wonderful smoky flavor. So I'm Rona Lewis, fitness and lifestyle coach, healthy chef. Thanks for watching Salmon Steaks.